Store-bought potatoes are convenient and cheap. Occasionally, store-bought potatoes begin to sprout. The question arises about what to do with sprouting potatoes. This project is about using sprouted store-bought potatoes instead of purchasing seed potatoes. Seed potatoes are sold in farm supply and gardening stores. We begin with a bag of sprouting potatoes. These are regular Idaho potatoes, and there are about 3 pounds of potatoes remaining in this 5-pound bag. These potatoes are non-GMO and gluten-free. Potatoes are naturally gluten-free. We assume since the bag is labeled that, maybe there is some mad lad working diligently to produce GMO-engineered potatoes with gluten, for some reason. The potatoes are cut so that there is a sprout or eye on each cut piece. The sprouts grow from the eyes, which are small indents on the potatoes. The cut potatoes are turning black inside. This is the sprouts taking nutrients from the potato in order to grow. As the sprouts grow, they will develop roots. The original potato will dissolve as the sprouts and roots feed on it. Eventually, the roots will then form new potatoes. We used raised beds for growing our crops. Our goal is that when one crop is drawing to a close, we start a second crop. This bed housed our spring carrots, and now that we are in summer, most of the carrots have been harvested. Our gardening environment is pesticide-free. Since these are raised beds, we do not experience too many problems with pests, but squirrels have been nibbling on our carrots. We use a trench method for planting potatoes. Our soil is soft, so we are able to use a small trowel and our hands. A trench is dug for each potato row, and cut pieces are placed with the sprout side up. Spacing is about 6 inches between each piece and at a depth of about 3/4 to 1 inch deep. This spacing of 6 inches may be a little close, but we are unsure how well the potatoes will grow. Thinning may be required in the future. Total time to cut and plant was about 10 minutes. Planting time is midsummer, and we expect the harvest in the fall.